So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and generate out a reference list using DeepSeek as well. Let's say, for example, I need 5 book references for, let's say, for example, computer fundamentals. So let's just go around and say fundamentals right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and type that in, then what happens is that it'll simply give me a list of references. So you can see that it is loading. So you need to wait for a while as always. And then now you can see that it actually goes ahead and then generates out 5 book lists for it. For example, you can see the title and so forth right here. But let's say I want the references in a certain format. So let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and say, give me the list of these references in Harvard format. Let's say for a Harvard referencing style. So if I were to go ahead and do this, then what happens is that it'll take that particular information that is just generated and will generate it out as a Harvard reference list format. So you can see that it is processing again right here. So you need to wait for a while again. So over here you can see that it generated out the same list just like this in Harvard referencing style now, as you can see, just like this. So now what you can also do is, let's say, for example, generate the same list as APA referencing now, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll take that particular information again and will generate the list in APA format. So you can see that it is loading right there. And then you can see that this is what you have. So it says here is a list of the provided references in APA referencing style. And then you have all of this in APA referencing style now. So I'm going to go around and say now, generate this in MLA referencing style. So if I were to go ahead and do that right here, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and generate out the MLA referencing style. And now you can see the MLA referencing right here, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and generate out reference list inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.